What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Behind me I have a 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat that we just got done lifting and added some new wheels and tires to. If you guys are looking to get your truck lifted and are trying to figure out what to put on your truck, you should definitely take a look at this build of what we did. First, I'm gonna go over the lift kit, which is going to be that 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. This one's gonna have the strut spacer package. So with this one being a brand new truck with very little mileage, there's no reason to go ahead and replace that strut. So we just go ahead and go with the strut spacer, which is gonna lift the truck up and allow this bigger wheel and tire package. Down here we have a 22x12 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. So this one is the hybrid tire. It's gonna be a mix between the mud-terrain and all-terrain tires. It's gonna give you a little bit more of an aggressive look, but also it's gonna be really good on the road as well. It's gonna give you a nice quiet ride and a long wear life. There's other options if you wanna go with a different tire. You have the more of a mud-terrain look. With the trail grappler, it's going to be more of aggressive and also be better off-road. But you can go the complete opposite way. You can go with the all-terrain tire. It's going to still have a little bit of aggressive look, but it's going to be really good on-road and give you even longer tread life. The wheel down here is going to be a 22x12 XD859, which is the Gunner. This one's a very good looking wheel. It's a mix between the concave and deep dish look. It's going to have about a 3-inch lip on it with a -44 offset. So the center of the wheel is pushed in pretty far and the spokes come out towards the edge of the wheel, but also it still, again, leaves that room for that lip. So this wheel comes in different sizes as well. This comes in a 20x10, a 22x10, and like this one, a 22x12. It also comes in different finishes. This one's the gloss black and milled. But this also comes in gloss black and candy red, as well as a machine face with a gray tint. So you have a lot of different options with this one that can look good on a lot of different trucks. So if you guys like the setup, how we did this one, and want to get more information on how you can get yours to look like this one, you can give us a call, or you can also see more on our website by using the link in the description. If you guys also want to get your truck built and don't want to pay it all right now, we also offer 0% financing, which you can also find that in the description.